Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print Pascal's triangle. So firstly, let us understand what is Pascal's triangle. So Pascal's triangle is a triangular array of numbers that represents binomial coefficient. Each number in Pascal's triangle is the sum of the two numbers directly above it in the previous row. Let us understand this with the program. In the first line, we have created a function print Pascal's triangle. This function takes an integer n as input, which represents the number of rows in the Pascal's triangle. Now, in the next line, a list triangle is created to hold all the rows of the Pascal's triangle. Here it is initialized with the first row 1, which is the starting point of the triangle. Now in the next line, in the looping line, this loop iterates from 1 to n minus 1 since the first row is already added, and each iteration corresponds to building a new row of Pascal's triangle. Now in the next line, this accesses the last row and retrieves the last row in the triangle to calculate the next row. Then in the next line, this starts a new row. Each row begins with 1, so current row is equals to 1. Now the next line calculates the middle row, the middle elements. So in the next line, this iterates over the indices of the previous row except the first and the last element. Each element in the new row is the sum of two adjacent elements in the previous row. Now, in the next line, every row in Pascal's triangle ends with 1, so it is appended at the end of the current row. Now, in the next line, the fully constructed current row is added to the triangular list. So, in the next line, in the looping line, each row in triangle is printed line by line. This line prints formatting with spaces. Here, this means this adds spaces at the beginning to center align the triangle, and here n length row adds spaces at the beginning to center align the triangle, ensures proper spacing based on the length of the current row. And this join means this converts the element of row into strings and joins them with spaces for clean output. So in the next line, the user specifies the number of rows for Pascal's triangle, and print Pascal triangle function is called to generate and display the triangle. So let's check this program. I'm entering the number of rows as I'm entering 7. Hence we will generate a Pascal triangle till the row 7. So thanks for watching this video.